Still on the journey of trying to achieve financial freedom, sitting on the beach all day and watching your money grow in all your accounts? I don't have the exact answer for you, but here is a formula that actually does work. What's cracking? It's Michael Alder here from TakingActionToday.com, and in this video I want to share with you how I buy and sell stocks for free on the Robinhood app and what my mission is when I'm buying and selling these stocks so that I could go ahead and get my money growing guaranteed with the quickness, taking a real win. So let's break this down right now. So we're in the Robinhood app right here. We're going to scroll around, get to the home page. We got $3,100 in there. I got some money I need to invest. It's Monday morning. The stocks are rallying already, and we're going to do some buying and selling. Now, here's what I do. I have three of my buddies who have a heck of a lot more money than I do, and that's step number one. Make sure all your friends that you're networking with are actually having a higher net worth than you when you're getting advice from them. If they don't have any money invested, you probably shouldn't take investment advice from them. So anyway, back to these shares here. We're going to go ahead and dump some of these. I was buying the dips all the way down, and it looks like they just struck a deal with Kim Kardashian, so the stock price went up. So we're going to go ahead and dump some of those. I'm going to keep the free shares that pay a dividend, and that's going to be my free money creating cash flow, making more baby money for me. Let's scroll through here. Now, this is one I've been trading back and forth nonstop. Buying at 150, sell at 153. Buying 148, sell at 153. Just back and forth. And later today, I actually did end up selling that one at 154. I just had to wait for it to grow a little bit more. And really what I'm looking to do within these apps is to get my money to grow roughly 2 to 3% every few days. When it does, I sell to get whatever shares are free, and then I go ahead and move my money into the next stock, get a 2 to 3% gain with the quickness, sell it, keep the free shares, and just keep the money moving. I want to build a massive portfolio of free stocks that pay dividends for the most part, and just let that money ride there because it's all free money growing for me. Now, a lot of my friends, they like to go for the big wins long term. Nothing wrong with that either, but my logic is people do quote unquote high interest savings, and they put their money in the bank for an average of 2% a year. When you put your money in at 2% per year, it means you put $100 in at the bank, you don't touch it, and at the end of a whole year you have $102. Well, what I try to do is do that every 2 or 3 days, getting an extraordinary rate of return on my money and keep it growing. Now, when you open up an account on Robinhood, if you choose to do so, you will get a free stock, and there will be a link to that below this video. But I also have a cool bonus if you want to take one extra step. There is a site called Swagbucks, and they basically pay you swag bucks to take surveys on there. They don't pay a whole lot, but there's a lot of perks within that app. So if you're dead broke, you could consider taking those surveys, build up some money, and then you can cash out through PayPal or gift cards. But if you went into Swagbucks, there'll be a link directly below this video showing you the steps how to do this, and you opened up an account on there. Next, hit the search bar and type in Robinhood. Swagbucks actually kicks you 1,000 Swagbucks for opening an account through their affiliate link. Then Robinhood will give you a free stock for opening up an account on there. So here's how this works. 1,000 Swagbucks is basically $10. So if you hit that affiliate link first, open up your account that way, you get $10 right up front. Then you open up the Robinhood account. Robinhood's going to give you a free stock. This is just totally winning on the front end. Then you put some money into Robinhood, buy some of your favorite stocks that you would love to own, get dividend paying ones if you choose to do so, get that cash flow, and keep the money growing. But as you see, I just check in every morning. I do all my trading before 11:30. I just get up, what's up? Okay, sell, take the money, what's down? Boom, boom, boom. We double down on what's down, and we just keep the things flowing and growing. And then obviously I have the real estate business, the land business. My whole mission is, as fast as money comes in from my side hustles, my business, whatever, deploy it into other assets and keep it growing till I have one day a problem of, what am I going to do with all this money? And that's how you want to position yourself to win as well. So I appreciate you tuning into this here. You can see some of the shares we own, and a lot of these just one-off ones. These are all free shares I built up over time. We're on Mohawk right there. I was day trading in Florida right before the market crashed. I bought it at 119 and it dropped to 79. That's the other thing. I don't sell at a loss. I will wait until it comes back and then get that gain. You really don't lose unless you sell at a loss. Now, granted, if I saw a phenomenal deal, I may sell at a loss, but within my stock investing, I just wait for it to come back to life, sell at a profit, and move on. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next.